Have you been looking for space? No, I mean real space. I'm in Canyon today, over 2,800 square feet on the first floor and over 1,100 square feet in the basement, which could be mother-in-law quarters or income producing. I know you're gonna wanna see this one. Take a look.
This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home has so much to offer. Updated and spacious. Newer appliances, newer flooring in kitchen and bedrooms, newer windows, and much more. 4 bedrooms with 2.5 baths on the main floor with 2 huge living areas and an office. Total remodel of the owner's bathroom. The over 1,100 square foot basement has been previously rented out. It contains 1 bedroom and bath, a living and dining room, kitchen and laundry room, and walks out to the backyard.
I am standing in one of the 3 spacious living rooms in this home. This one is move-in ready. You will have to see it to believe it. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.